How to add a large amount of text. Step 1. To add a large amount of text, first we need to add a text box. Click the Add Text box and a text box will appear on your page. Step 2. You can write as much text as you want, the text box will flow, or you can copy and paste your text. We will paste some copied text into this box for this tutorial. Step 3. We can then resize the text box using the handles, and also position it on the page where we need it. An important note. If you are going to copy and paste your text from an external source, it is very important that you clean your text and remove any tabs, indents, or extra spaces that are not required. Because of how our software works, any of this type of formatting can affect the output of the PDF file we generate, and result in a printing error. Where possible, remove any of this type of formatting. Please remember, although you can add text, the software is not a dedicated text processing tool.